How to make a homemade stress ball. What you need is a balloon, flour, and a dry plastic bottle. So you're not going to be able to put the flour directly into the balloon. So put it in the plastic bottle first. So that's our plastic bottle full of flour. We'll get our balloon, put it over the top. Then start putting the flour inside the balloon. Squeeze it down like that. Squeezing it, force it down. Grab the end here. Once you have all the flour in the balloon, just make sure you've got all the air out, and then tie it off. And you're done.